What's up, you guys? It's your sunny Trainer Chaz today, and welcome to your 15-minute de-stress and unwind. Take a seat, grab a towel, grab a blanket, whatever you need. Let's get calm, let's get relaxed, and let's do it, you guys. That being said, today we're gonna really focus on de-stressing and unwinding as much as possible. So let's take a seated position, let's get nice and relaxed, get comfy, grab your blanket, your mat, your drink of water, whatever you need, and let's get to it, you guys. I want you guys to start in a seated position, and let's just start by finding our breath. Take a deep inhale, and exhale. Beautiful. We're gonna just literally repeat that breath over and over. Deep inhale, exhale. Soften the gaze on your face. Relax your facial features. Beautiful. Allow everything that may be going on outside to still be. It's still there. But it is just what it is. This is you and your practice. And just focus on your breath. Allowing thoughts to come, but not judging, is how you obtain that mindfulness. Beautiful. While we're here, let's take the head. We're just gonna rotate. Nice and gentle. No jerking motions. Just nice and steady. We got about 30 more seconds left here. Nice, big, powerful breath for a powerful practice. Beautiful. The next 10 seconds, we're gonna lay flat on our back into a supine position. Nice and relaxed. Let's go ahead and meet there. Beautiful. And this is called a wind releasing pose. On that inhale, we're gonna bring that left knee up into the chest. We're gonna exhale as we press that thigh into the rib. Once again, deep inhale and exhale. Let's go ahead and rotate that foot. Just loosening up that joint. Deep inhale. And exhale. Whether you're in the bed, you're on your living room floor, this stretch is for you and your relaxation. A couple more breaths here. Taking that right hand, we're gonna pull that leg across the body and we're gonna hold for the next 30 seconds. If you can, turn that head to the opposite direction to include a spinal twist, all the while focusing on that breath. A couple more breaths. Beautiful. Slowly letting that knee come back to the center. Beautiful. On that next inhale, we're going to release that grip and exchange knees. Extending that leg out. Exhale as we press. Same concept as before. Let's just rotate that foot just like that, you guys. Deep inhale. And exhale. Come back to the breath. Excellent, you guys. Last breath. Just like before, taking that opposite hand, Reaching across, we're gonna pull and we're gonna hold that for 30 seconds. If you can, take that head gaze the opposite direction into your spinal twist. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds here. Keeping your back flat to the floor. Focus on your breath, never straining, just letting your body actively fall into the stretch. Big, powerful breaths, you guys. Let's take it back to the center. Now we're gonna slowly let that leg come back down. And for the next minute, let's just let our breathing come back. You can place your hand at the belly button and place the other hand on your chest. Inhale as you feel the chest rise. Exhale. Again. Beautiful. Remember to soften your facial features. A couple more breaths. Beautiful. On that next inhale, we're going to bring both knees into the chest. Bring the hands around. Exhale as we press the thighs into our ribs. Almost like you're giving yourself that hug. Beautiful, you guys. For the next 40 seconds, we're just gonna rock side to side. This does wonders for your lower back. Just back and forth. Beautiful, you guys. Deep inhale and exhale. Excellent, you guys. Couple more breaths. Beautiful. From there, we're gonna take the hands and now we're gonna actually place them on our shins. And we're actually going to move our legs in circles. Big circles. Just like that. Now I want you to tie your breathing into the movements. Beautiful, you guys. Just like that. We got a whole minute here. Just like that. We got a couple more seconds and we're gonna switch directions. And let's switch. Beautiful, you guys. Nice and steady. Got a couple more seconds left, guys. And then we're gonna flip on over. And slowly releasing those legs, letting your legs come down nice and gentle. Now let's go ahead and flip over to our front side. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in a child pose. So from here, we're gonna go here onto our hands and knees on the tabletop, bringing the feet together as we separate the knees, and we're gonna take our hips back. Some people may not be able to take it back that far, as far as you can. From there, I want you to bring that chest to the floor, and then we're just gonna relax the forehead to the mat, just like that. Finding your breath. We're gonna be here for the next 30 seconds. Then exhale. Beautiful, you guys. Try and get that chest low to the ground, hips up. Deep inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Pushing into those palms. We're gonna shift our weight forward as we draw the hips forward and bringing them to the ground into a cobra. Bring those toes together. Relax the shoulders. Some might say upper dog, some might say cobra, but this is just a nice stretch for us, you guys. Nice and relaxed. Once again, feel free to rotate the head Nice and steady. Couple more seconds. And then just from before, we're gonna shift the weight back. We're gonna go right back into our child's pose. And again, come back to your breath. Excellent, you guys. As you start feeling more loose, you can open up your hips by allowing your knees to slide out a little bit more. And then whenever you're ready, we're gonna shift that weight back forward once again. This is a little too much on the spine. Feel free to drop to the forearms. Same stretch. Sphinx pose. Deep inhale. And exhale. Couple more breaths. Last time, let's take it back into our child's pose. We're gonna hold for 30 more seconds. Beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Shifting forward in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shifting that weight forward. Excellent, you guys. Deep inhale and exhale. Beautiful, you guys. Feel free to look over the shoulder, get a nice twist. Opposite side. We're gonna slowly lower, and then we're gonna push into the tabletop. Now I'm gonna square myself and face you guys. From here, we're gonna stay in that child's pose. Let's go ahead and separate those legs. And we're gonna give ourselves a nice oblique stretch. So we're gonna go down, and from there, I want you to walk your hands all the way over to the left side, and we're gonna hold this here for the next 30 seconds. Deep inhale, and exhale. Just like before, allow your hips to square out if you feel it. If not, stay here. This is your stretch. A couple more breaths. Beautiful. Try without walking up. We're gonna walk the hands all the way over to the other side, and we're gonna hold for another 30 seconds. Deep inhale and exhale. Feel that stretch throughout your lats. If you get it deep enough in your obliques. 10 more seconds left here, and we're gonna go back to the other side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Taking it back to the other side. Beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Really reach with that opposite arm to get as good a stretch as you can. Good job. Excellent stretch, you guys. Couple more seconds, and then we're gonna switch sides. Beautiful. Let's take it back to the center, and we'll take it to that other side. Beautiful. Couple more breaths. Beautiful, you guys. Let's take it back to the center. From there, we're going to slowly come back up, bringing the knees into our tabletop position, tucking those toes. And now we're gonna go from here to our tabletop to a downward dog position. Just go ahead and pedal it out. Feel the stretch in the calves, hamstrings, let the head hang. We have a couple more breaths here. Beautiful. Slowly bringing those hands and feet together as we walk them together. And we're gonna heel toe our feet together, and nice and steady, we're gonna raise one vertebrae at a time. And just like that, you guys, I hope you guys are feeling de-stressed and unwinded. Thank you for joining me. Catch you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach boxing, mobility, and yoga, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.